Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Pattern to a third-party domain. So connecting your Pattern site to third-party domain like one you bought from GoDaddy over Namecheap, etc. is essentially pointing your custom domain to your Pattern website so visitors can use your branded URL instead of the default. So you will need at first to buy a domain, okay? Use any domain registrar such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, over Google Domains, and make sure you have access to the DNS settings for the domain. So for example, here we are on the GoDaddy.com, so you will need just to go with find your.com and then just type your domain or the domain that you want to have right here, okay? But what I do really advise you is to go to Pattern and then just log in and navigate to settings, domains, connect domain or similar option and choose use a domain I own. And after then, just get the CNAME record and record or IP address. For example, host www and point to your shop.pattern.com and TTL like leave it default, alright? And after that, just bring that domain here and pass it, then go with search domains, and you will need to pay some dollars or some bills to have that domain, okay? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.